Hey everyone, in this math problem here, I'm going to solve the math problem on the left side, which is a one-step equation, and then you need to solve the math problem that's on the right, which is also a one-step equation. Both of these equations have to be solved using subtraction. So the first hint here that I have for you when solving a one-step equation, you should keep in mind that the variable should be alone. And then the second thing is to do the opposite of the number. So the variable here is p. That means this number 3 needs to go over to the right side. So right now the 3 is positive. So I need to do the opposite of positive, which is subtract the 3. I know the 3 here was positive because I didn't see a minus sign. So 3 minus 3 is 0. Both of them cancel each other. And I'm left with p on the left side. On the right side, I'll have 8 minus 3, which gives me positive 5. You need now to use the same steps that I used here to answer the problem on the right. And then once you have the answer, please put your answer into the Google Classroom assignment that I created for you. Here's the second part of the class exercise. I'm going to solve the math problem on the left and you're going to solve the math problem on the right. So the math problem on the left says m minus m equals to negative 13. As I want to solve this math problem, I keep two things in mind. The first thing is the variable should be alone. And the second thing, to get rid of the number, I need to do the opposite of that number. In this case, the number is negative 9, so if I want to take it to the other side, I need to change it to a positive 9. And that's what I'm going to do in this first step here. So I'm going to add positive 9 to both sides. If you do something on one side, you do it to the other side. These two numbers here are going to cancel because they're the same number with different signs, so they're going to equal to 0, and I've only remained with m. Negative 13 plus 9 is going to be equal to negative 4. The reason why it's negative 4 is because the 13 and the 9 have different signs, so you subtract them, and then you keep the sign of the 13 because the 13 is bigger than the 9, so my answer is negative 4. Try the question on the right side here and put your answer in the Google Classroom assignment.